What's up, guys? I am back, and you've probably seen by my thumbnail, I got my box of Panini Prizm Jumbo finally in. 3 autographs, 10 numbered Prizm cards per box on average. Of course, I'm going to be looking for a Dak or Ezekiel, and since I got them from Dave and Adam's Card World, um, they included 2 Panini, I think they're called kickoff packs. This one is thicker than the other one, and I did feel around. I feel a jersey swatch in it, so. And I got this for free. I'm gonna open these up first, then I'm gonna pause the video and get into Prizm. So hopefully that whatever's in that Panini kickoff pack is good. Bradley Beal, Eric Bledsoe, Randy Foye, Rudy Gay, Ty Lawson, Mario Chalmers, Carmelo Anthony, Brooke Lopez, Otto Porter. What the hell is that? Nice looking card. Not numbered. Iman Shumpert, Derrick Rose, and a rookie of what? Montrezl. What? Montrezl Harrell? What? That L belong there? I don't know. I think he's actually a pretty good player. I'm not sure. Go to the first Panini kickoff pack. So I'm happy I got a hit on one of them. It's only 2 cards. Got Marshall Yanda and Leonard Floyd rookie, and it's numbered 50 out of 699. That's cool. And the pack with the hit in it is in the back. I know that. Like the jersey swatch is like right on the outside. It's not even, you know, like the opposite way, so you can't feel. Okay, I'm gonna turn it around without looking. Okay, we got a Steven Gostkowski, and is a Chief Pro Bowl Travis Kelce. Oh, that's weird. What is that? Is that a towel? It's not even numbered. I wish it was numbered. The enclosed game used material is from the Pro Bowl played at Aloha Stadium in Honolulu, Hawaii on January 31st, 2016. I mean, that's cool, I guess. It's still not numbered. I wish it was. I have no idea what that is. Feels like a sponge. I have no idea. If anybody knows what that is, let me know. That's cool. We got one hit. But yeah, let's get into the actual what you guys probably here for. Prizm. Don't want to damage the box. So hopefully I get a nice hit in here. It's been a while since I opened up a hobby box. I said that in my last video, I believe. Try not to make this video long. Come on, go in. There you go. First pack. I think Panini Phoenix came out today. I'm either gonna put it in the order for that tonight or tomorrow afternoon. I'm gonna see some openings for that today, most likely. Okay. First pack. Got J.J. Watt. Hopefully it focuses. Danny Amendola. Aaron Rodgers. Sam Bradford. It does not want to focus. Terrence Williams. C.J. Anderson. Jameis Winston. RG3. First autograph is Kevin Byard. B's probably silent. I have no idea. No idea who that is. Yeah, that's not a good start. Got an RG3 blue, number to 199, 196, 198, 199. Will Fuller, rookie, and Austin Hooper, rookie. So, the first autograph is somebody I've never heard of. That's not good. Next pack. Okay. Thomas Rawls, Leigh Fitzgerald, Devontae Freeman, Jeremy Hill, Jermaine Kearse, Colin Kaepernick, Emmitt Smith, Greg Olsen, Ben Roethlisberger, Prizm. Second autograph, Leonte Carroo. I mean, I've heard of him. It's not numbered. We got a Ohio State rookie, Darren Lee, from the Jets, and Christian Hackenberg, rookies. Damn it, I already got 2 of the hits already. I don't want to get all the hits in the beginning. Hopefully the last autograph will make up for these 2. Like, I've heard of Carroo. Never heard of the first guy. Got Marvin Jones, Odell Beckham Jr., Harry Douglas, Mohamed Sanu, Carlos Williams, Gary Barnidge. Come on, focus. Tony Romo, Vance McDonald, Charles Clay, CJ Prosise, orange, I guess. Still doesn't want to focus. 11 of 299. And Dan Vitale, I guess. And Noah Spence, rookie. Ex Buckeye. Next pack. 2 serial number cards down. Still looking for 8 more. I think I see the next autograph, and I think I know who it is. It could be 1 or 2 people, and it might be a Buckeye. Giovanni Bernard. Actually, you know what? I'm going to save this pack for last. Let's just do that. Kind of sucks that I got all 3 of my autographs early. I was really hoping for a redemption because Dak and Ezekiel are redemptions in this. I believe. Yeah. Marcus Wheaton, Jordan Matthews, LaShawn McCoy, Pierre Garçon, Willie Snead. Were those all receivers in that pack? Oh, almost. Jordy Nelson, Jay Cutler, Peyton Manning, Eli Manning, Shining Stars, not numbered. Todd Gurley, Orange, 149 of 299. Nice. Tamarick Hemingway and Charon Peak rookies. Next pack. Everything will be for sale or for trade, as long as it's not a Cowboy or Buckeye. And Mike Wallace, Derek Carr, Michael Floyd, Darius Hayward-Bay, Nelson Aguilar, Dwayne Allen, Richard Rodgers, Rashard Jennings, Adrian Peterson. Wow. Adrian Peterson Prizm, and I think this is called Red Crystal Ezekiel Elliott. This is way better than an actual autograph right here. Wow. Hold on. I gotta sleeve this. This probably sells for a ton. Wow. That's beautiful. 20 of 75. I think that makes up for the box. Wow. Yeah, that's Ezekiel. I've got to move this one away. I got to put this baby here for now. That's beautiful. Beautiful. That makes up for the box if I don't get any. My third auto isn't that great. We got Derek Watt and David Morgan rookie. Yeah. I like this box today. At least I got an Ezekiel. Can I get a Dak rookie? Look at that beauty. I might have to, I don't know. I might mag that. Okay, next pack. Yeah, Richard Sherman, Chris Johnson, Tevin Coleman, Alan Hearns, Frank Gore, Jeremy Langford, Jordan Cameron, Brian Hartline, Ohio State, Draft Gems, Bo Jackson. We got a CJ Spiller Red Crystal next. Paul Perkins and Malcolm Mitchell rookies. That one's numbered 69 of 75. Cool. Hold on, I gotta pause real quick.